Developing right now at noon, overnight storms pounding South Florida, and now the National Weather Service has confirmed a tornado did indeed touch down in Plantation.
And further north, parts of the U.S. getting buried under heavy snow. The Northeast dealing with one of the most severe blizzards of the year.
And although the snow isn't falling here in South Florida, it's still causing quite the travel mess.
It is indeed. Hundreds of flights already delayed or even canceled as the winter blast brings air travel in some places to a halt.
And here at home, some neighborhoods waking up to scenes like this, downed trees and debris left over from those strong winds. We have live team coverage right now of the severe weather. This afternoon, our weather authority, meteorologist Trent Eric, is in the weather center tracking the storm. We also have local 10's Madeline Wright in Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood International Airport, tracking flights. But we're going to begin right now with Ian Margol in Plantation.
Well, crews have made quick work of all of the debris and the trees that were down in this neighborhood here in Plantation. In fact, take a look here behind me. They just turned off some of these chainsaws and they were chopping up this huge tree that had smashed two cars earlier this morning. And now we have it confirmed that an EF1 tornado ripped through this area overnight. The cleanup started early, as professional crews and neighbors in Plantation worked to start clearing trees from this community's parking lot.
I'm amazed, actually. I live right there and just opened the door with my dogs, two dogs. And the first thing I see is the tree down.
The storm overnight uprooted trees in Plantation and in Davie. Viewers sent us these pictures once it was over, but Terry Roberts tells us it was so intense it woke him up.
It was just really loud, a lot of wind. It kind of sounded like a little bit like a freight train came through.
The National Weather Service says winds in Plantation easily topped 80 miles per hour and were likely closer to 100 miles per hour. But they still haven't determined whether or not it was a tornado that ripped through.
You know, tornado versus straight line wind, either one, when you have 80 mile per hour wind or greater, it can cause a problem for no matter if it's a tornado spinning or if it's straight.
Incredibly, emergency responders haven't received any reports of injuries from the storm, and FB&L crews were able to restore power to most people relatively quickly. But several cars like Luz Consuegras were smashed. Nonetheless, she knows it could have been much worse.
My mom and my niece stay here, and everybody is good, you see?
So you're feeling lucky?
Yes, thanks God, it's lucky, yes sir.
So this is what is left of that car. You can see it completely smashed in. Some incredible damage here. Neighbors in this neighborhood tell me that they were actually hit very hard by Hurricane Wilma as well, and they attribute the lack of structural damage here to rebuilding after that storm. Now again, within the last 15 minutes, we did get it confirmed that this was an EF1 tornado that ripped through this part of Broward County. We're live in Plantation. Ian Margol, Local 10 News.